Ciao a tutti! In questa lezione impariamo qualcosa di molto importante: gli aggettivi qualificativi. Hello everyone! In this video lesson, we will learn something really useful: the qualifying adjectives. A cosa servono? Gli aggettivi qualificativi descrivono, quindi ci aiutano a parlare meglio. Non solo ci aiutano a raccontare e a descrivere, ma aiutano anche a parlare con più chiarezza. So the qualifying adjectives describe people, things, so they help us to speak better, describe and communicate in a clear way. Let's see an example. So the adjectives indicate a particular quality, a characteristic, and if I say I have to tidy up my new exercise books, you know that are not the used ones, are the new ones. So it has to be which ones? These ones. How do we use them? The adjectives are used next to the noun they are describing, like in this case, il ragazzo alto. It is very important to agree the adjective and the noun, la ragazza alta. We will practice with this. I gatti neri, le matite nere. You see, all the adjectives are coming after the noun. Another point. If we have to agree the adjective with the noun, then what type of gender should we put if the adjective is referring to more than a noun? It will be plural masculine if the nouns are masculine. For example, un libro e un quaderno nuovi. Plural feminine if the nouns are feminine. Una penna e una matita nuove. Plural masculine if the nouns are one masculine, one feminine. Una penna e un libro nuovi. Let's practice. Here you can work independently, you can pause the video and then check the answers. You have to complete the table. For example, un bambino educato becomes plural masculine, bambini educati. Feminine singular, bambina educata. Feminine plural, bambine educate. Consider that studente, the feminine is studentessa. I'm going to show you the answers. Let's move on to another exercise. Here you have to fill the gaps with the adjectives in brackets and agree them with the nouns they are describing. I put this one at the end because it's an irregular one. Lunga becomes lunghe, plural feminine. Pause the video, complete this exercise. And now I'm going to show you the answers. Let's move on to the next one and final exercise. In this one, you have to rewrite these sentences, changing all the elements that you can into a feminine form. Consider that also names like Bruno, Giovanni, they can be changed into a feminine form. Pause the video and work independently. Give yourself 10-15 minutes to complete it. I'm going to show you the answers here. Well done! So this is all you need to know for the adjectives for the basic level. However, there are some parts that are quite important. At the beginning we said the adjective goes after the noun, but sometimes we can find it before the noun. In the next video about adjectives, I will explain when and why the adjective can be before the noun. Also, I will explain why bello, buono and grande change in front of the nouns. Grazie e a presto! Alla prossima lezione!